Hello, mini learners! Welcome to this new section of English for Business. Today we start the first lesson called Welcome to the Office. Let's start. What are we going to see in this first lesson? Welcoming dialogues, choosing an applicant, phone call, and resume. Let's start. Let's start with a small talk. Welcome, Mr. Williams. Hello, Mr. Williams. Welcome to your new company. Hello. Yes, you're right. I'm Tom Williams. What's your name, please? I'm Sandra Vega. Pleased to meet you. I'll be your new office assistant. Pleased to meet you too, Sandra. The first thing I have is an appointment with Madam Watson. Am I right? Yes, you are. Please, Mr. Williams, have a seat. Madam Watson is outside. She'll be here in 10 minutes. Would you like a refreshment? Just a glass of water. Thank you. Welcome to our company. I'm pleased to meet you, Mr. Williams. It's a pleasure to meet you too, Madam Watson. Please follow me. I'll show you your new office. See you later, Mr. Williams. Welcome, Mr. Williams. Have a seat. Mr. Williams, we are looking for an engineering assistant. These are the requirements. Assist supervisor, must be graduated from mechanical engineering. Minimum 1 year experience is a must. Able to work under pressure. Multitasking valued. Able to work in industrial zones. We have 2 applicants. You have to see their resumes and tell me who is the best candidate for this job. Everything understood. I'll tell you when I'm finished. Okay, then 2 applicants for 1 job. Let's put them together and let's compare them. Applicant 1. Qualifications. From 1999 to 2004, mechanical engineering. Volunteer in Unique Co. Experience from 2004 to 2019. Engine 21 Company. Skills. Able to work under pressure. Multitasking. Applicant 2. Qualifications. From 2000 to 2005. Mechanical engineering. Diploma in car engineering. Experience. From 2010 to 2020, IT company, worked in industrial zones, skills, hardworking. What to include at a resume? Full name, address, age, education, references, email, telephone number, experience, volunteer work, availability, car, and if we know languages, we can include them, of course. Have you seen both applications? They are quite good. Yes, I've already checked them. In my opinion, both of them are qualified for this job. Who do you think is better prepared for this job? Applicant 1, because he has more experience working and he has done a volunteer. That's very valued. Okay, then you have to call him. His name is Peter. Please tell him he can sign his contract tomorrow morning. Here, in my office at 9. Okay, right now. Please, Sandra, can you call Peter? He has to sign his contract tomorrow morning. Sure, let me find his telephone number. Oh, you've got it here. In his resume. Thank you. Hello, I'm Sandra Vega. I'm calling from the English Business Company. Am I talking to Mr. Peter? Yes, it's me. Pleased to meet you. I sent my resume some weeks ago. Yes, we received it. That's the reason why I'm calling you. You've been chosen as the new engineering assistant. Congratulations! Excellent! Thank you so much. I was expecting your call. When do I start? Madam Watson is waiting for you tomorrow morning at 9 in her office for signing the contract. Perfect. Do I have to carry some documentation? Your ID for now. If you have any written reference from your previous job, that will be fine. Do I need special clothes? No, don't worry about that. The company will provide you with suitable clothes. Okay then, if that's all, I'll see you tomorrow. Congratulations! See you tomorrow. At a resume, you have to include your age. You do not have to speak about your family. Make sure you write your telephone number. It is advisable to check it before you send it. You shouldn't write your likes or dislikes. You should write your educational career. Here you have an example of a resume. Name, Sandra Williams. Date of birth. Pay attention. In the UK, we say first, day, and then month. But in United States, month comes before the day. In Spain, we say day before month. Phone number. Address. Pent Street, London, UK. Educational career. From 2011 to 2016, Penton University. From 2018 to 2019, Economy Master. Professional experience. From 2020 to 2021, PepsiCo. Here you have an email with an interview notification. You have sentences that you can use for your job that can be very useful. I advise you to write them down and try to remember them. Let's read the email together. Dear Peter, my name is, and I'm writing on behalf of the Human Resources Department of company. Our company is pleased to inform you that you have been shortlisted for an interview for the position of, and here you will write the position of the interview. Your interview has been scheduled for Tuesday, February 27 at 10 a.m. Please confirm this date and time are convenient for you. Let me know as soon as possible if you can attend. Regards, Human Resources Manager. So we will write this email in order to get a confirmation of the candidate. Here I leave you the translation of the email in Spanish. We finish this lesson with some advices for a job interview. Maintain good eye contact. Don't wear bright and loud clothes. Don't reply with short yes or no answers. Don't give a casual, informal greeting. Show what you know about the company. Observe the proper dress code. And relax and be yourself. And of course, good luck with your job interview. I see you in the second episode of English for Business. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.